Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add link in Instagram story. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you just want to add a link to your story. Then just go to the story section. From here, just tap on camera and just click any picture, or you can add pictures from here. Go to camera. Suppose I'm clicking a picture like this one, and just I'm making the background totally black. So I'm just choosing the color black and being tapped on it, and here the color black, my background is black, and check mark, and then go to the sticker option just beside the text option right here. And here goes the option of link just beside the hashtag option. Once you click on link, there will be the option to add URL, or you can also customize the sticker text. So just paste the URL you copied that is in your clipboard, and once you just copied it, tap on done, and here goes the link added to your story. And now all you need to do is just to tap on your story or close friends, and your story will be posted or uploaded. This is how you can add link to your Instagram story. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.